welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am or you have forgotten who I am, hi, hello, my name is Deborah Jen, and it is so good to see you around these parts. Today, as you can see, we are doing this bad bitch makeup tutorial. I am living for the way this look came out. 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐌𝐿 sent me a couple of products that they wanted me to test out, so I'm going to be showing you some of those 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐌𝐿 products today. And y'all know I love 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐌𝐿 because their brand is all about being extra, being a maximalist, and that is literally who I am. If you aren't already subscribed, I hope you will subscribe to my channel with notifications on. We've got lots of videos coming your way, and all of my social media is linked in the description below. But other than that, I think that's enough, you know. Shameless self-promotion and a little bit light begging. I hope you will join my little family. All of the products that I use today on my face will be linked below, and I will have timestamps below if you want to hop around from part to part. But other than that, let's get right into this look, shall we? Okay, shall we get this party started? I'm gonna go in first with my 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐌𝐏𝐒 Beauty All About That Base Nude Shadow Primer. I absolutely love this eyeshadow base, and you can use code DeborahJen to save monies on your 𝐒𝐓𝐀 purchase. Just gonna smear that all over the eye. Okay, now that our eye is prepped and primed, let's go straight into our shadows. Today I'm gonna be using the Rico Nasty 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐌𝐿 collab. This is the Neon Rage palette. And I'm gonna first pick up this color, this bright orange here. I'm going to pick that up with a Morphe M506 brush and just start working that into the crease, blending in small circular motions. Now to increase the color impact, I'm gonna pick that same color up with a flat shader brush and start packing that onto the lid. Okay, as you can see, I've already started to work a little bit more on this eye. We're getting the shape coming together. And we are gonna start doing the same thing on this eye. We are going to use some gel liner to really make this eye look winged out and just like a bad bitch, you know what I mean? I'm gonna be going in with my Sigma gel liner. You can use code DeborahJen to save. I'm gonna be taking that in on my Sigma E06 brush and just start sketching that shape out. And then we're just gonna fill in that line. You can be pretty sloppy at this point. We're gonna be blending it all in with some eyeshadows. So right now it doesn't really matter if it looks a little slopopotamus. I'm gonna be drawing it as if we're kind of winging the eye out down here to get the shape going. Bada bing, bada boom. Now we're just gonna start blending it all together and making it really look seamless. I'm gonna use a matte black shadow just to set the eyeliner. Any old matte black shadow will do. Taking this in this very small detail precision brush. This one is the 𝐒𝐓 small precision brush. And we're just very carefully going over that eyeliner. This is why we do eyes first, because we get a lot of fallout. Now I'm gonna go into the 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐌𝐿 Color Boss Master Palette, and I'm gonna go into this beautiful burgundy shade here called Red Bottoms. And I'm gonna take that in with another small precision brush. It should be a different brush, unless you clean your brushes in between. This is a Morphe M326 brush, in case you are a little curious cat and kitten. And we are just going to start blending that kind of in a winged shadow shape, as if you're doing your winged liner. Oof, I love how witchy this is looking. Perfect for fall. Honestly, I'd rock this any time of year, but especially for fall, bitch. Halloween, say what? Now we're gonna go back in with the same brush that we used for the black shadow and just start blending in the edge over here. You don't want it to be a harsh line of demarcation. You want it to all blend together quite nicely, Maria. And bada bing, bada boom, I think we're ready to line the eyes. I'm gonna be going in with this beautiful 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐌𝐿 waterproof liquid eyeliner. And can we look at this packaging? 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐌𝐿 really kills it. Also, the nails, that doesn't have anything to do with 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐌𝐿, but I'm really happy with them. This liner is such a thin, precise line. Oh my God, it's perfection. Boom. I'm also going to tightline just using the leftover gel liner just to make sure that our lash line is as dark as it could possibly be. Bada bing, bada boom. Now let me zoom you out just a touch. I'm gonna go and clean up these under eyes off camera real quick, and I'll be right back to start doing my face, darling. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. I'm gonna be priming my skin today with the 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐌𝐿 No Filter Primer. So we're just gonna dab this on the face. This is a really nice blurring primer. It just gives the skin such a good foundation for your foundation. We are gonna be going in today with the 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐌𝐿 After Party Foundation. This foundation is a long wearing full coverage foundation. It comes in 50 shades. It's a lot of shades, man. And I took their Power Match quiz online to get my shade. I am going to be going in today with the shade 40. And boy, is that full coverage. Look at all those imperfections concealed. It's like my skin, but better so far. I'm really liking this. Sometimes full coverage foundations are too full coverage and they start looking cakey. But right now, I'm just seeing like smooth, skin-like finish. Oh yes, give it to me. I see not a single flaw. This is not looking cakey. I'm actually pretty blown away. And I cannot get over this like color match. It is so close to my skin perfection. Okay, now I'm gonna be going in with the 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐌𝐿 I'm Flawless concealer in the shade 2.5. Bada bing, bada boom, let's blend that bitch in. Blending, 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 blending. I cannot get over how full coverage the foundation is without making me look cakey. My biggest pet peeve is foundation that makes me look cakey. And this right now, it's giving me skin. This look is sending me. Okay, now to put this foundation to the true test, I'm gonna set it the way I would any foundation. I'm gonna go in with my 𝐒𝐓𝐀 Luxe Pro Powder in Porcelain. And I'm just going to set the under eyes. And then I'm gonna set the rest of the face with my trusty and dusty 𝐒𝐓𝐀 Aquasurance Compact Foundation. Absolutely love this stuff. Could literally, quite literally not live without it. Okay, now I'm going to bake the under eyes with that 𝐒𝐓𝐀 Luxe Pro Powder. Now that the face is set, I'm gonna go do my brows quickly off camera and I will come back and we will contour the face. Okay, the brows are on, and as you can see, I also took the initiative to finish this 𝐒𝐓𝐏 over here. So let's zoom you in and finish these eyes. Bada bing, bada boom. We are going to go in again with that 𝐒𝐓𝐀 liquid eyeliner, and we're going to just draw out the inner corner. Boom. Oh, I love a winged inner corner. Now we're gonna take that eyeliner and do some spiky under eyeliner. And let's see, where do we want the spikes? We want one right in the outer corner here. Boom. And then one right there sounds good. And then one right there. So I just drew little lines first, and now I'm just going to connect them to make them look like, you know, spiky dinosaurs. Ugh, love this eye look. That's bad bitch shit for real. The tip of this eyeliner is so fine and really, really made that easy to do. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, now for even more bad bitch shit made easy, we're going to put on some stars under the eyes, but 𝐒𝐓𝐀 came out with this stamped eyeliner, so I don't even need to be good at drawing a star. I can just stamp them on. And y'all, you can use code DeborahJen, like always, on this 𝐒𝐓𝐀 eyeliner. I love me some 𝐒𝐓𝐀, okay? I love 𝐒𝐓𝐀 high-end. I also love 𝐒𝐓𝐀 high-end for a low price. Boom, boom, boom. Easy motherfreaking peasy. Beach. And tell me that's not bad bitch shit. I mean, hello, this eye look. We are looking like the baddest of bitches. Boom. So let's put on some mascara and then we will finish the face. 𝐒𝐓𝐀 also sent me this beautiful Black Card Lift, Curl, and Lengthen mascara. Oh my god, and this applicator? Hello. I love this kind of comb applicator. You must be kidding me. I have been looking everywhere for an applicator like this. Is this a joke? This is my favorite kind of mascara applicator. I'm not even kidding you. It separates your lashes. Oh my god, yes. Like, I have no lashes, and this is really giving me lash. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, These eyes, tell me this isn't the baddest bitch eyeshadow look you've ever seen in your life. Ever seen in your life. And then I turn around and I began to pass out. And boom, this eyeshadow look hit me.
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Okay, I am not going to put on lashes yet because I like to make sure my mascara is as dry as possible. So we're going to let that continue to dry and we're going to start contouring the face. I am obsessed with 𝐒𝐓𝐀𝐌𝐿 contour and bronzer. There is nothing better. There is not a single better formula, I promise you. If you're looking for high quality, intense, beautiful, smooth, buttery product, this is it. This is it. Let's go in first with the 𝐒𝐓𝐿 No Rules Mineral Baked Contour. And I'm going to contour the nose first. I personally contour my nose with an eyeshadow blending brush. This is the Sigma E38 brush. Use code DeborahJen. I mean, this contour is so smooth. It's freaking seamless. Tell me that's not the perfect contour shade for me. You can't tell me it's not, because it is. Because let me tell you, most contours do not look this good on me. Now let's contour the cheeks, shall we? I'm gonna go in with my face contour now. This is a NARS Yachiya brush. I will link all the brushes and products I'm using in the description below. Again, this contour shade is perfect for me. It is so subtle and natural, but it sculpts me, and their formula is so smooth, I almost can't stand it. I almost can't stand it. Put a little bit on the forehead as well. And now because I am extra AF, contour is not enough. We must bronze as well, we must. And I'm gonna go in with the Makiage Wannabe Bronzer. Oh my God, when I tell you this is the most buttery bronzer I've ever used, listen up because I mean it. It is well worth the money. I'm gonna take that in on a nice fluffy brush. This one is the Morphe E2 brush. Oh, and doesn't that just bring in the perfect amount of warmth into the face? She is not a ghost, she is living. Oh my God, I am loving this look. Oh my God, my nose really itches. Someone must be thinking about me. Darling. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. I begin to pass out. Okay, and we wouldn't be complete without some blush. And luckily, I have this orange blush from Makiage in the color Toxic. This blush formula, let me tell you, wonderful. And it's gonna go so good with this eye look. I am going to be very light-handed with it because this blush has a lot of pigment, a lot. And I wanna build it up so that it's not too much, it's just enough. Although enough is never enough. That's why I love Makiage. I mean, they're all about maximalism, and if you know me, I am a maximalist, bitch. Minimalism? Who even is she? Now I'm just going to bake the face just a little bit, you feel me? Just to make sure everything looks seamless, my dear. Okay, now that we are baking and setting, we are going to highlight. I'm gonna go in with my old pal, the Makiage Satin Mineral Highlighter. This bad boy is a loose highlighter, but I love a loose highlighter. I feel like loose highlighters really pack the most punch. I'm sorry, but that highlight is seamless. Do you see it? Utter perfection. I'm telling you, the loose highlighter is the way to go. And I'm gonna brush off the bakage so I can highlight my nosy nose. I love a good nose highlight, beach. Bada bing, bada boom. Gonna go in with some setting spray now to make sure it all melts together. Yes! Now, my dear, it's time for lips. I'm gonna be using black lipstick today because there is nothing badder than a black lip. I love black lipstick. It might be my favorite kind of lipstick to wear. So first, I am going to line my lips with the NYX Blackberry Lip Liner. Now I'm going to use this black lipstick from JCat Beauty. Use code DeborahJen. And bada bing, bada boom, the lips are black. We are almost done. I am going to go pop on lashes off camera, get dressed, you know, come back with the whole vibe. So, see you in a minute. And just like that, this is the finished look. I slapped on a black wig. I feel like this haircut is like baddie B haircut of the century, you know what I mean? And I didn't really feel like washing my hair today, but I still wanted to look like a bad bitch. So here we are. I absolutely love the way this look came out. I think it is such a bad bitch staple look. I mean, the eyeshadow really isn't that hard to do. You just gotta slap on some black liner. Honestly, it's far easier than doing like a cut crease or something because there's really minimal blending involved. So anyways, I think that these stars really bring it together. I think this is perfect for Halloween, perfect for fall. I would rock this any time of year, to be quite frank. That's just me though. I love it. So anyways, I will link all of the products that I used to create this look in the description below. And if you aren't already following me on Instagram and TikTok and subscribe to my channel, then what are you waiting for? I will link all of my social media in the description below as well. But other than that, it is time for the question of the day. The question of the day is, should I get ear piercings? I'm thinking of like piercing my ear all the way up and down. Or at least, okay, we'll start small. Maybe like get like one small piercing in here. I don't have earrings in right now, but I only have like my normal piercing. So let me know if I should go full extra and just like pierce a bitch up. I don't know, okay? Let a hoe know. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Pew, 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 pew. But that's all, folks.